Hi, this is a video on making your own kind of solar suitcase for portability using a couple solar panels. These are the Rich solar panels. They're monocrystalline, which I got from Amazon. And I used some poly rope, which I drilled some 3/8 inch holes into the panels and then pulled the rope through and tied a knot on the other end. This makes it easy to grab those. And these are the hinges that I got. They're 3-inch hinges from Home Depot. You're going to need 2 sets for 4 panels, and these are the rivets that are 3/16 inch by 1/2 inch. You'll have to drill 3/16 inch holes into the panels and then use a pot riveter to mount the rivets. This works out pretty good. They're pretty sturdy. So here's a photo of a Clevis pin that I installed that are 1/4 size that I got from Harbor Freight. They have a bunch that you can buy really cheap of several sizes. And here's the picture of the other end of the Clevis pin with the pin attached. This makes it easy to mount on any kind of rack that you're gonna put it on if you want to do that. And here is a picture of the suitcase on top of my rack that I built from Uni Struts. I'll be doing another video on how to make the Uni Strut rack to fit these solar suitcases. Thanks for watching. Bye.